I'm Seema. I work at Move by BJC. Today we are going to discuss about the belly dance workout for beginners, and we are going to learn the waist movements and the hip movements. Okay, so coming to the waist movements, we are going to discuss about 4 movements here. We will discuss how to do waist slides, waist twists, waist lifts, and waist drops. So first, coming to the slides, we will discuss about how to do a waist slide side to side. So you come into your belly position, your arms rolled back, and your chest little higher, and your pelvic bone and tailbone tucked in, and your feet facing forwards and the knees at rest. So now coming to the waist slides, we slide our waist by pushing the lower abdominal part towards sidewise, and you have to keep your chest at rest. You cannot move your chest or the upper body. You have to only slide from the lower body. It's like this. So you have to squeeze and then squeeze your side muscles and then push the waist sidewise like that, like that. Okay? So feel the movement and then slide your waist side to side. You can even keep your leg little forward and do a slide which is little lengthier. So these are the waist slides side to side. So do 8 to 10 repetitions, or depending on how many repetitions you have to go, you can go like 20 or 30 repetitions when you're working on those muscles. Okay, so now we will see how to do the waist slides forward and backward. Okay, so if you see the forward, you have to flex your abdominal muscles here and then get this higher, and so you have to use your abdominal muscles when you are going on the forward one, and then you have to use your back hip muscles when you are going on the back one. So this is the hip slide. So do 8 to 10 repetitions. Okay, so now you can actually mix these 2 slides and then you can make a waist circle. So you first take your waist towards right, and then you tuck your abdomen. So this comes the forward, and then you take the slide on the left. And after you take the slide on the left, you push backward, and when you have the movement like a fluid, you get the waist circle. You do not have to move your legs or use your knees for this. Just use your muscles and then get the waist circle. These are the smaller circles, and you can actually have a bigger ones too. Like you can have a bigger one in this way. You can have the circles from right to left and also from left to right. So left, tuck, right, back. Left, tuck, right, back. So you can get the circle. So circle, 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 circle. So these are the waist slides followed by waist circles. So next we will see how to do a waist twist or waist punch. So again, get into your belly position and punch the right side forward, punch. Okay, so punch, punch, forward, 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 forward. So do 8 to 10 repetitions and change side, forward, 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 forward. You can do it alternatively by alternating right and left side. So it will be like forward, forward, twist, 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 twist. You can increase the speed. Twist, 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 twist. Okay, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you're only using the muscle on your abdominals and not using any hip muscles. So twist, 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 twist. You can actually double the side and you can do a shimmy. Okay, so these are the waist punches or waist twists. Next we go to the waist lifts. So for waist lifts, you have to squeeze your lateral muscles and get your waist upwards. So it will be squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So there is difference between the slide and the lift. The slide was on the sidewise and the lift is on the up. Okay, so lift, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, upward. Okay, after 8 to 10 repetitions, change your side, left, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift. Now you can do both alternatively. It will be like right, left, right, left, upward, 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 upward. You can actually double the speed. So give an accent by pushing it hard and get that muscle worked out. Okay, coming to the lifts, you can do single lifts and double lifts. So the first one was single lift. Now we will do a double lift. Alternate with other side. 2 times on each side. Lift, 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 lift. Okay, so these were the waist lifts. Now we will see how to do waist drops. So when you're doing waist drops, you have to push the waist downwards. So like this. Push it, push it, drop it down, 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 down. So you're not squeezing your muscle, you are dropping it by relaxing the muscle. Drop, drop, drop. Same on the other side. Drop, 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 drop. You can alternate this on both sides, like drop, 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 drop. You can increase the speed. So you have to work on these muscles by dropping them. Okay, these are the waist exercises. So we have discussed how to do the waist slides, side to side, front and back, front and back, and using them for a circle. And then we have seen punches, forward and backward. We have seen lifts, lifts, lift, lift, and we have seen drops, drop, drop, drop. That completes this video. You have watched today the waist slides, twists, lifts, and drops. Keep on working on those muscles and then make yourself strong by following the belly dance workout for beginners. And then I'll catch you in other video with hip drops, hip lifts, hip kicks, and then hip rolls, and then hip shimmy. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Bake McBride. I am the Assistant Manager and Group Fitness Director here at Move by BJC. And I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to join us for this session. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can jump on the website at www.movebybjc.org, or you can give us a call, 314-286-0525. Thanks again.